In this lecture, you will learn what is ARP. ARP is Address Resolution Protocol. It resolves IP addresses to the MAC address. So here we have a command ARP-A that's going to display you the current ARP cache on your computer. So this cache, it contains mapping of IP addresses to the corresponding MAC addresses. So guys, whenever a device wants to communicate with another device on local area network, it needs a MAC address. Okay, so let's see how this ARP works. Imagine this scenario with device A and device B. So think this is device A and this is device B. When computer A wants to communicate with computer B, computer A already knows the IP address of computer B. However, to establish communication, it still needs the MAC address. Consequently, computer A sends out a broadcast message inquiring about the device with a specific IP address. And this computer B will respond with the MAC address. Okay, and once this computer A obtains the MAC address of this computer B, the communication will start. Subsequently, the information will be stored in ARP cache. So to check that information in Windows operating system, you can use ARP-A command. So guys, here you can see we use ARP-A. That's going to display us the IP address and it is mapping to the MAC address. And it is even showing the type. One is dynamic and one is static. Okay. Static entries are those entries which you can enter manually. So if you want to enter it manually, just type ARP, then hyphen S, then the IP address, and then the MAC address you can type, and then you can just hit enter. So that's gonna enter the static entry. Let's understand ARP using Wireshark. First execute this command netdiscover-r and this IP address /24. So that's gonna scan your entire network. Okay. So just hit enter and then start your Wireshark. Okay, I'm choosing the CTHO interface. Let me start it again. And then now observe that ARP is in use. And the Wireshark that displays the devices holding specific addresses by sending ARP request. Once it identifies the device with the targeted IP address, it showcases the mapping of IP address to the MAC address. Okay, like in this case, we can see we got this IP address with the MAC address. Okay, so it is asking who is having this IP, and then again it is asking who is having this IP, right? So here you can see this MAC address is having this IP address. So that concludes the content for this video. That's all.